Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. We're at the Alta River Oaks in their 2-bedroom, and we're about to do a part 3 walkthrough. We're gonna go into the master bedroom and the guest. So if you have questions anytime about moving to Houston or about the Alta River Oaks, my number is below. Just send me a text and I'll get you pricing, availability, setup tours, whatever you need. Okay, so now we're gonna walk through this bedroom. This is a big bed. Wow, this is definitely a king. It looks even bigger than a king, like a California king or something. It's very big, so you've got a good space in here to really chill out and relax. You've got a really nice size wall here to add a huge dresser if you want to. They've got a small one. Notice too that you've got overlooking the window. You got windows overlooking the balcony over here. And that's an interior balcony. The pool is out there in this case, so really pretty. Hey, let's walk into the bathroom. So the bathroom's really cute too. We've got a adorable bathroom here. We've got one of those that has the really pretty mirror lights, mirror outline lights. And man, this is cool because you've got not only the tub, but then you got this walk-in shower. Wow, very, very nice. And you got some really pretty floors. It's a light vinyl. And then look in the bedroom closet. So the closet is a good size. Wow, ooh, wow, wow, wow. It's bigger than I thought it would be. It goes way far back there. So good storage there. And then it's got that corner storage there too. That's very attractive. Wow, this is really cool. I think what I'm gonna do is, I was just having fun showing this off. So I'm actually gonna make a part 4 because I want to show you the guest bedroom and bath over there. So let's do a quick part 4. If you have questions at any time, of course, send me a text on that number below. It's 100% free service always, and that goes straight to my cell phone. Hey, let's do a quick part 4. We're going to see the guest bedroom and bathroom right over there.